Hey, what's up mga ka-ITs? Panibagong araw, panibagong aral na naman. Another episodes ng Talakayan with your favorite ka-ITs.
I'm Ate Irish.
I'm Ate Eliza.
I'm Kuya Mark.
And I'm Kuya Lawrence.
And welcome to IT Talk.
We are discussing the satellite imagery. Hey, I remember.
Today, we are about to present to you one of the technologies used in civil engineering under the remote sensing technologies, which is the satellite imagery.
Pero bago ang lahat, ano nga ba yung tinatawag na satellite imagery or remote sensing technologies? Remote sensing technologies refer to the satellite, aircraft, or unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with various sensors such as camera, spectrometers, and other measurement devices which are used to collect data about the Earth's surface.
These technologies are typically launched into space using rockets and are placed into orbit around the Earth. Once in orbit, it utilizes their onboard sensors to collect data about the Earth's surface, which is then transmitted back to Earth for analysis.
Yes, tama ka dyan. So, another information, the data collected with the remote sensing technologies can be used for a wide range of applications such as lands, use mapping, crop monitoring, natural disaster assessment, climate change monitoring without the need for physical contact with the target area that's under observation.
And some examples of remote sensing technologies includes drone, synthetic aperture radar, light detection and ranging, and lastly, satellite imagery, which is what we are about to discuss in today's episode.
Mga ate at kuya, ano nga ba itong satellite imagery na kanina pa natin nababanggit? At ano ang contribution nito sa field ng civil engineering?
So, eto na nga. Satellite imagery is a remote sensing technology which refers to images captured by satellites in orbit around the Earth. These images can be used to monitor and analyze the various aspects of the Earth's surface, including condition and infrastructures, land use for urban and regional development, and environmental conditions such as the quality of soil, which helps in planning, designing, and building civil engineering projects, just like what we usually do.
Aside from its practical application in civil engineering, satellite imagery also aids in geology and mineral exploration, military and intelligence, disaster management, and notably on the field of agriculture for crop monitoring and yield estimation.
Ngayon, alamin naman natin paano nga ba nagsimula at umusbong ang satellite imagery. Dating back to 20th century, the first attempts at capturing images from space were made in the 1920s and 1930s. But still, it wasn't until it launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, by the Soviet Union in 1957 that the development of satellite imagery truly began.
Tumpak ka dyan. And originally, satellite imagery was primarily used for military purposes. Hindi ba't nagkaroon pa nga ng space race ang United States and Soviet Union during Cold War na umiiral noong mga panahong iyon?
Oo, during the Cold War, both countries launched satellites to capture images of the Earth's surface. Yung nga lang these early satellites were capable of capturing low resolutions images lamang, but they laid the foundation for the future advances of this technology.
Malabo pa yung no?
So in the 1990s and 1990s, the development of more advanced satellites and imaging technologies led to significant improvements in the quality and availability of satellite imagery. And this period, the first commercial Earth observation satellites were launched, kagaya ng French satellite and the American Landsat satellite.
The 21st century has seen a rapid expansion of satellite imagery capabilities with the launch of numerous satellites by various countries and private companies. Currently, satellite imagery is used for a wide range of applications including surveying, environmental monitoring, urban planning, and more.
It can capture images of vast areas including remote and inaccessible areas, kaya mas napapadali talaga ang land surveying and pagpaplano for civil engineering projects.
Sabagay.
Yung mga Opel land, okay, mga bundok.
On the other hand nga lang, it is highly maintenance, kaya mas costly siya and it is also more complex to use.
And to add that, the resolution of the images captured by this technology is also lacking compared to other remote sensing technologies like drones. Kaya the resulting image may lack some important details. So, kasi diba, magkaiba naman ang quality ng drone to that.
Mas
Okay.
mapilupin yung Earth.
Sa bagay. Mas matagal din mag-gather ng process data dito compared to others, which may be critical in time-sensitive application, and it is limited based on adverse weather conditions.
But overall, this technology greatly helps civil engineers in their field of mastery. Kasi, imagine without that, mano-mano kang pupunta sa site.
Oo nga, no?
Diba?
Titignan mo pa kung nasa yung mga
Tapos,
ilog.
mano-mano ka pong magsusukat. With those, and with the help of technology, and in artificial technology,
Malalaman
nare-record niya kagad, di ba? So, yun lang. All things naman, there are both advantages and disadvantages. So, dito, masasabi natin na although mahal siya, pero it has greatly positive impact to the field of civil engineering.
Tama. And,
That's all. Bye-bye mga ka-IDs!
So, mga ka-IDs, bye-bye!
okay.
We are discussing the satellite imagery. Wait, yeah. Hey, I remember image from the space in the Earth's dazzling light and analyzing data like the weather that is through the night. Lancet and Copernicus, they're orbiting and showing this environmental shift throughout the desert to the snow and bliss. Infrared and optical radar tools we will. They're mapping out the forest and capturing in the field. Urban sport release and prep from space, we see it all. Satellites in motion, high-res data on the call. Daily shots monitored on the spots like hurricanes, aiding in disaster of terrains and saving pains. If we lose the satellite, another fills the role. A resolution imagery vision is the goal. They use it for surveillance, sometimes spying on the other nation. Multispectral capture always blends in our home. It is amazing, you and I know, like the Hubble. It's go. The Hubble. It's go. The Hubble.
Telescope.
It's go.
Hubble telescope.
The Hubble.
Telescope.
It's go.
Telescope.
The Hubble.
Telescope.
It's go.
Telescope.
The Hubble.
Telescope.
It's go.
Telescope.
It's the Hubble.
Telescope.
It's go.
Hubble telescope.